Hey homeowners, looking for a kitchen makeover without breaking the bank? I've got just the thing for you, cabinet refacing. It's the magic trick your kitchen needs. So what is cabinet refacing? Instead of ripping out your old cabinets, you simply upgrade their exterior surfaces. This means new doors, drawer fronts, and sometimes new hardware. It's like giving your kitchen a facelift without the hefty price tag. Why should you consider it? First, it's super affordable. Cabinet refacing costs 40% to 60% less than a full remodel. Imagine saving all that cash. You'll have more budget left for other kitchen upgrades. Second, the customization options are endless. Choose from a variety of finishes, colors, and materials like wood veneer or laminate. You get the exact look you want. Third, it's eco-friendly. By reusing your current cabinet structures, you cut down on waste and save trees. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. And last but not least, it's quick and minimally disruptive. Unlike a full remodel, which can take weeks, refacing often takes just a few days. You'll have your dream kitchen in no time. Now, when should you replace instead? If your cabinets are warped, cracked, or lack storage space, it might be time for a full replacement. But if they're structurally sound, refacing is the way to go. Looking for other budget-friendly upgrades? Consider replacing countertops, repainting walls, or adding a rug for visual appeal. You could even add shelves or a freestanding island for extra storage. So there you have it. Cabinet refacing can transform your kitchen on a budget and boost its resale value. Ready to get started? Call Payless Kitchen Cabinets today. Your dream kitchen is just a call away. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly home tips. See you next time.